Passengers Saltlands, Bromley South, Beckenham, Petswood or Orpington.
I was lining the bus up because I think there's a wheelchair. Yeah, there's a wheelchair. So this one's EN10, which is the 10th EN to be made apparently, or the 10th EN in the fleet. SN58 CEX. And the Oyster card is obviously not in service as it's a commercial vehicle now. It is not in service for TfL. So it does like Southeastern placement, bus hire, cheers driver. And it also does school routes as well around Epsom. So it's primarily used for school contracts or replacement bus hire. Even private hire is as well, like the Ali Pali events that take place in North London. Yeah, love the old Trident seats, interior. Oh. Please hold on to the handrails when the bus is moving. Let's open the windows. Smells. Oh, there's a Go Bus E400. Yeah, it's not Go Coach anymore, it's Go Bus. So that one, don't know if it has its. No, it hasn't got the logo, the new logo, fortunately. But without further ado, enjoy the sound of the mighty E400 Trident. Yeah, they're using them buses as well. Ew. West Croydon.
Gösterdiler bize yollar, trenleri. Tren işlemeyen bir yere kadar biz sabah erteli olduk. Demek aradı beni bırakamadım. Çeklemek ben akşam 34 taksiye verdim beni. Ben peşine aradım. Adamı dedim akşam bırakacağım. Demek getirecek yanım parayı sıkılma dedim. Arabam onu direkt aradı. Beni ya dedim annemin parasını. Şimdi Şamşak'ta Ünlü'ye baktılar. Babasından sorduk. O gün bana burada. Ablacığım marketiz gidiyoruz. Kör kaslı nereye alabilir?
Go on, son. Love that gear change sound. Yes. This is the reason why I love the E400 Tridents. It sounds just beautiful. I know it's bad for the environment, especially for those who suffer from like asthma, things like that, but still, I still love these buses. Nothing's going to change my opinion. Shortland Station.